Hey everyone, welcome back to Roaming and Recording with Brenda and Craig. In this video, we're giving you a quick tour and honest review of the Staybridge Suites in Rosemont, Illinois, just outside of Chicago. We stayed here the night before flying internationally for a cruise. Our goal? Just a simple, convenient place near O'Hare Airport. We chose Staybridge Suites in Rosemont because they offer a free shuttle to and from the airport, which sounded perfect. But the shuttle took over an hour and a half to pick us up from the airport. They advertised a 30-minute rotation, but we definitely didn't get that experience. Not the best start to our stay. Once we got there, though, things improved. The hotel is super close to the airport, making it ideal for an early morning or international flight. There's also an on-site restaurant called Land and Lake. It is in the hotel, but not part of the hotel, so just a heads up. You can't charge meals to your room, but we recommend it. The portions were large and the food was tasty and the drinks were cold. One of the coolest perks, the free happy hour. They call it light hors d'oeuvres, but honestly, it felt more like a full dinner. We had salad, pasta, garlic bread, plus wine, beer, and soft drinks. You do need your room key to access that area. And in the morning, they serve a free breakfast buffet, which was actually really good. There were eggs, potatoes, sausage, fruit, yogurt, toast, bagels, juice, coffee, and tea. A solid selection and plenty to get you fueled for a day of travel. Now, let's take a look at our room. This is room 314. Welcome to the Staybridge Inn, Rosemont, Chicago, O'Hare. So as you enter, you'll see the kitchenette over here. Sounds like Craig's doing the windows. I'll show you that area in just a moment. Over here, you kind of got one of those sliding doors. Large bathroom. Commode. No tub, but a decent looking shower. And basic amenities or dove amenities. Your hair dryer, towels, etc. So you got over there, bed, a little seating area with a table. That's kind of nice. And over here you've got a desk area and a lot of places to put your clothes. And we're overlooking the highway again, so hopefully it'll be quiet. But that is room 314. The hotel also has a gym and an indoor pool, which is a nice bonus if you're staying longer or want to unwind before a flight. So, would we stay here again? Maybe, but would definitely have a backup plan for the shuttle. Once we got to the hotel, the experience was pretty solid, especially for an airport stopover. So, if you're flying out of Chicago and need a place to crash the night before, Staybridge Suites in Rosemont might work for you. Just give yourself extra time for the shuttle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on our next adventure. We've got some pretty special ones coming up. See you on the next stop.